My name's Tim Turney. I work at the Florence Institute, the Florrie in Liverpool 8, and I'm a community coordinator and also run the guitar group here. The Florrie Centre, which I manage, has 42 hours a week of free activities, art classes, mental health walks for men and women. It's run by a whole host of volunteers, different people who come in to make this building, and the variety of classes, fantastic. To empower people, to improve people's day-to-day living, well-being, mental health, support, educate. The guitar class is something that I've always done. I came in as a volunteer 10 years ago to teach people how to play guitar, and I expect everyone who comes here with a guitar for the first time, or they don't have a guitar and we give them one of our upcycled ones, put in some time themselves, and within a month I'll have you playing something. I think it means a lot to people. I think if I just stopped doing this group, people would really miss a Tuesday and coming down. I probably would myself, so it obviously means a lot to me. Come here on a Tuesday, and I think all the people, if you ask them, would be gutted if it never happens. But the more people who can connect and get together and play together, it makes people feel better. Music is healing, I'd say.